Sorry. Common president. Good.
I am just choosing that.
Excellent. Common president.
Yes, so finally.
Is the third day you started inaugurating projects in FCT. You started on the 10th, in Tuesday. On Wednesday 11th, you were engaging to commission the interchange, the road linking by Tama, Jahi, and the areas. Today, the 13th of June, you are commissioning the Abu to Wasan classes of the outer roads. Excellency, just like the Executive Secretary of the FCD said, this school were awarded in 2017. I was awarded at a cost of $6 billion. But in 2021, there was variation that got to 21 billion. However, contractors were not on the site. Why? Money was not paid to the company. As part of their policy, to making sure that every project that is abandoned and left attempted to must be completed. It is important to give this clarification for people to know that part of the policy is not for you just to award contracts. For you say now you are the one who awarded contracts. Yes, and you have said it time number that look, every project whether awarded via tender or via census must be completed. And today is one of those projects that has been completed. So what we came on board in August 2023. I said on Wednesday, the same company that did that issue is the same company that have done this. It was not an easy thing. You see the mechanic in there. Those who know this old road, they are vexed with the fact that it's been horrible. If you are going to go, you better believe early. It's been so terrific that it slows down economic activities. But in order to think of this and open up, we told the contractor that, are you sure you can finish this road within so time? They said yes. As a policy that money will be made available. And to the glory of God, money was made available. And today, you are here to commission this road. Those of us who are crying that grandparents and grandparents, see what grandparents have done. See what grandparents have done. 15 kilometers. I would encourage you to drive down to Wasa Junction. In fact, I thought that this commissioning would take place where the rock was broken into two. You see, it's easy, of course, on Nari Road. It's good on Nari Road. And the executive secretary said, 500 meters of rock. And that is the beauty of this place. So we're happy that we're here today. From Wasama, you can go to Takushera. From Takushera, you can go to Keti Kabusa. I don't know the date that is fixed for Keti Kabusa, Kabusa to Takushera. These are those within the communities that are about opened up the communities. They don't need to live in the city again. From 13 Takushera, 10 minutes here in the city. And this is what has been lacking before now. Parents have made it clear his business is not just to develop the city, but to also open up the communities so they will have the very positive impact of this. I want to thank you for the support. It's not been easy, but we really show that. You see, there are two things. They can give somebody opportunity to serve, but the person may not have the support. Giving you a position is not enough. But giving you the support for you to achieve is another thing altogether. Mr. President gave us the position to work with him. He not just gave us position, he has given us every support required to achieve. And that is why today we are the two ministers are not liked by many people. We are not being liked because of the support Mr. President has given. It's not our fault. It's not our fault. If you have a father, he chooses to like this one, why would he kill him that he likes us? Do something tonight, he will like you. So Mr. President likes us. He has given us support. And we want support him. And let me thank the National Assembly, particularly the Senate President, Deputy Speaker, and the Speaker. We have never had it easy like this. It's the same thing people complain. What's the special love? Every time anything that pertains to FCT, the National Assembly takes it as if they are the only people. I don't know. They should ask God. I want to thank you people for the special love you have for FCT. You have it's a never belief. You have given us special attention. And we did promise you we will not disappoint you. And I'm sure you are not disappointed. To the glory of God. 17 days to commission projects is not 7 days. 17 days. And that's why those who are criticizing, except you've chosen not to see. If God gave you eyes to see, you say, I will not see. Then be blind. Then be blind. God gave you eyes. You say, God, I won't see. Then be blind. It's nobody's fault. I call on those who do not know, who say they will not see. Please, see. See. Come to Abuja and see. The president is walking.
As he is doing that, he will see us. As he will see us,
we are commissioning. Don't say it's not correct to with the flag off. No. People like Crisago, the National Conference Center. You know there are people naturally they don't have good taste. They don't have good taste. The only thing in that International Conference Center that was not changed is just the block. Everything in that International Conference, Bola Ahmed, to the International Conference Center, everything was changed. If you love this country, you cannot criticize. It's not about I wear only one shoe telling people lies. It's a lie.